Camera installation tutorial. First, install the gimbal tripod at the bottom of a 1/4-inch thread hole. Unfold the tripod and place the versatile arm facing to you on the table. Now the gimbal is in locked state. Unlock the motor lock of tilt axis, roll axis, and pan axis. Unfold the 3 axes to the balancing position and relock the 3-axis motor lock. Before installing, please judge if it's needed to install camera backing base. Then put it in the bottom of camera and observe if it will affect the use of lens focus ring or zoom ring. Screw the camera fixed screw to the camera backing base. Attach the camera backing base to camera, as shown in the video. After attaching it, pick up the quick release plate. Install the 2 camera fixed screws on the quick release plate. Now, place the thread hole for lens holder in the same direction of lens and ready to install on the camera backing base. The 2 camera fixed screws correspond to the 2 thread holes one by one on the camera backing base. Align the camera fixed screws at the screw holes and tighten them by hand. Then reinforce them with a hexagonal wrench. If using a heavy lens, please install the lens holder. Mix a soft rubber against the lens, then install the lens holder screw. Before installing the camera, please unlock the safety lock of quick release plate. Slightly clip the quick release plate in the slot. Slide back and forth to find a roughly balanced position and lock the safety lock. Finally, please unlock the slider lock, moving the camera to make it closer to the tilt axis motor lock and lock the safety lock. If you use the gimbal to control the camera parameters or shooting, please plug in camera control cable. Plug the other end in camera shutter control interface, which below the camera installation slot. Thank you for watching.